person who possesses various adaptable qualities according to the situation and the people he faces. So according to me, in a bank, I will face many people. Like maybe a person can be an angry customer, a person can be slightly dissatisfied customer. So according to the situation, I can handle people according to my personality.
You did your graduation from CET, right? It's a government college. You did your graduations in a government college, but now you are deciding to join a bank. Why can't any other sector?
Sir, basically from my branch, I could have joined in the core sector like NALCO, PSU, like NALCO, NTPC and other different PSUs where the seat count is very less. According to me, some instrumentation posts are maybe in a year or two they release 2 to 3 seats in instrumentation sector, and the competition is very high there. And
do you feel the competition in bank is very less?
No, so the competition is not less, but the job opportunity is more.
Okay, you uttered a name called NALCO.
Yes, sir.
Right, what type of company it is? It is a Miniratna, Maharatna, or Navaratna company?
It is a Maharatna company.
How many Maharatna companies are in India?
12 Maharatna PSUs are there in India.
Do you know what are the procedures or what are the timeline that is decided to declare a company as Maharatna? Do you know what is a unicorn company?
Yes, sir. Companies whose assets value more than $1 billion US dollars, they are called unicorns.
What is a blue chip company? What is a blue chip company?
The most profitable company in the stock market. The top 30, top 50 companies are the blue chip companies.
State one difference between money market and capital market.
So money market is regulated by RBI and capital market is regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India.
How will you expand the term SARFAISI?
SARFAISI is securitization of assets and reconstruction of.
So, can you tell us what is CBS?
It is core banking solution where a bank branch, all the bank branches are connected to a central system. Where if I have opened an account in Lewis Road branch of Bhubaneswar, and now currently I live in Patia, so I can access my bank transactions and all the details that I want to achieve from a different State Bank of India branch in Patia.
Do you have any bank account? Do you have any bank account?
Yes, sir. I have a State Bank of India account.
State Bank of which branch?
The Lewis Road branch, Bhubaneswar.
Who is the present BM of that branch?
Sorry, sir, I'm not.
You read in Bakshi Jagabandhu Vidyadhar. Who was Mr. Bakshi Jagabandhu?
So Mr. Bakshi Jagabandhu was a freedom fighter who is from Cuttack of Odisha, Cuttack district of Odisha, and
You are from Keonjhar, but you choose to read in Bhubaneswar. What is the reason behind it?
so back then when I passed out class 10 in 2014, there were not very much opportunities in Keonjhar for CBSE courses, and there was a craze in being an English medium school in a CBSE course, so that's why I chose to move to Bhubaneswar for better education facilities.
Why you are not ready to go for MBA, top level MBAs after CET?
So after CET, I choose to join a job so that I do not have to depend on my family for my financial.
Then what is the women empowerment?
So women empowerment is the idea where we give opportunities to various women in sectors of learning, having their own businesses and growing in various fields like sports and also in educational fields.
Give some examples.
First example would be my mother. My being here in the State Bank of India interview is an example of my having a progressive mother who was willing to educate me. And second, I would take my name because my being highly educated is also an example of women empowerment. And for the third, I would like to name Miss Chandrani Murmu, who is the youngest MP from my district.
Your district, you are from Keonjhar. Is there any tourist destinations?
Yes, sir. Bhattanga Matarini temple is the most famous tourist destination there, and Gonasika is also a tourist destination. And Keonjhar is known as the land of waterfalls, so there are various kinds of waterfalls there, like Bhimkund and Khandadhar and Sanghagra and Badghagra.
Which is the lead bank in your districts?
The lead bank in my district is Bank of India.
State one difference between NEFT and RTGS.
NEFT is carried out in batch settlements of in 24 hours. A 30-minute batch settlement is there, when for 24 hours 48 settlements are carried out, and RTGS is real-time gross settlement. It is available 24/7.
Which is the largest foreign bank in India currently?
I'm not sure, but I would like to try it. Is HSBC in there?
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reflective writing.
Reflective writing. You have a unique hobby. Do you feel it?
Yes, sir, I do. I do, because many people do not, because it is human tendency to move to negative thoughts always and not see the good in all the people we are interacting with. So I have developed. I was also not this positive before I started pursuing this hobby. When I identified that I'm very often I react to situations which I don't like, so I started pursuing this hobby so that I could develop my personality and rather see the good in people I'm meeting.
So, state one difference between instrumentation and electrical and electronics engineering.
Instrumentation is about process control. They're basically all of them are related, but instrumentation is about the process control, like control panels in aeroplanes and control panels in traffic lights and control panels wherever their process is involved, and the engineers are involved in designing and processing of the systems. In electrical, we use machines which are they work on electrical. The machines work on alternating current, and more voltage is required to drive those machines. And in electronics, we use smaller.
What do you mean by artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence is the advancement in technology that we are seeing these days. Artificial intelligence is about it's like when we are shopping for something in a website like Myntra or Flipkart. The first, if I bought a dress for myself and mentioned the Myntra, after some days it mentions when I again go to the site for buying a dress, then it mentions that are you buying it for Shatrupa, and is the size is this specific size required for you? So, and also it.
What's your point of view regarding the mass layoff by the tech companies?
Now again, I would like to say that there are two different views. One is the view of the employer and the other is the view of the employee. In case of mass layoffs, the view of the employer is if they let those employees know that they are not able to cater to their needs of salaries right now because they are not getting projects for the company. It's good for the employees, but for the employees, for the short term, it will create a crisis as they do not have job opportunities. The very less job opportunities are available, but they will be aware that they have to look for some other sectors for long term.
What is ChatGPT?
ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence bot that has been created by OpenAI. And ChatGPT, now the news has come that ChatGPT will take up lots of employment opportunities, but I do not feel so, because now unemployment cannot be overcome. The unemployment cannot come up this easily, because ChatGPT is also handled by humans. The data is being fed by humans, and an artificial intelligence system will work on the amount of data being fed by humans. So there also will be.
What's your point of view regarding housewives?